Hi student, let's start point dipole. Point dipole. First of all, tell me what you understand by the term point. See here I am giving a dot. Okay. If I'll give one more dot on it, see I am giving so many times. Okay. I am giving one dot over other. Can I distinguish between these all these dots? No. They are said to be point. Okay. So here we will start point dipole. The dipole should be point. What is dipole? I have already explained in the last video. Dipole, it is a combination of two equal and opposite charges separated by some distance, and that distance we have taken as 2a. So for understanding point dipole, let us start with point charge. What is the meaning of point charge? Point charge, we see, for example, there are two, just to show you physically, I have taken some values and I have extended this diagram so that you will understand properly what is the meaning of point charge. So point charge, see here we have two charges. Okay, one is q, one is minus q. Why I have taken q and minus q? I could have taken q1 and q2 just because I want to explain you about dipole. So I have taken one charge as q and another as minus q. So see here I have given very small point to show the charge. I have given very small points, and see the distance. If I'll compare the size of the charge with the distance between them, the distance is very large but the size is very less. That means here r, this is the distance r, it is very greater than size. But which size I am taking? I am taking the linear size of the charge. This is called the linear size of the charge. If r is very greater than the linear size of the charge, that means charge is very small and the distance between the two charges is very large. For that, we'll compare with this situation. For example, let us take the charge to be 2 microcoulomb. 2 microcoulomb means 2 into 10 to the minus 6 coulomb. So it is in the order is minus 6, and if the separation between these two charges is 5 meter, 5 meter and minus 6, if you compare these two quantities, there is a huge difference. That means there is a difference of length, and that means the charges are too small but the separation is too big. So we can consider the charge to be point charge. That means this is separate and this is separate. They are very small charge compared to the distance. So Q will be said to be a point charge. Okay, opposite of this, if we are having two charges and with respect to their charge, this distance is very less. That means this is a charge, and the distance you are seeing is very less. So we cannot say the charge to be point. Now the charges are not point charges, and if will still decrease the distance, this distance if will still decrease, what will happen? One charge and the second charge will be overlapping with the first charge. This will happen in case of point dipole. So here point charge, you understood, the size of the charge is very less than the distance of separation between them. Let us move to point dipole. This is very much interesting, you see. So dipole, when the dipole will be called as a point dipole. So I have taken two cases. See here, the first case, the dipole, that is minus q and plus q. These are the two charges which are separated by the distance of 2a. That means there is some distance, the distance is greater than the size of the charges. So we can say the charge is a point charge. These charges we can say point charges, that means small charge, but the distance is small, not small, the distance is greater. In the second case, what I have taken? I have brought the two charges together. That means I have reduced the distance between the two charges. Here I have reduced 2a tends to 0. That means 2a I have decreased. You can see the charges are very close to each other. In this case, the charge is not point charges now. We cannot say in this case the charge is point charge. Charge will be large. Why charge will be large? See the dimension, or we can say the value of charge in first case and second case is same. If I have taken 5 microcoulomb here, here also I have taken 5 microcoulomb. I have not changed the magnitude of the charge, but what happens when they are very close to each other? It appears as the charge is very large compared to the distance between the two charges. This is a relative term. Okay, here as the distance increases, we can say that they are very far from each other, so they appear to be point. As in case of stars, we see the stars as point. Okay, they are not actually point. For us, they are, we can tell them as point stars, or we can view them as point charges. But if we'll move, or if we'll go near to the star, it is not a point. Now we cannot say it is a point. It will be very large. Similarly, the charge is very large. That means we can say the charge is now infinity. But what happened to the distance? Here the distance is not 0. Distance is finite. But here the distance, it is tending to 0. So there is two things it is happening here. We'll see P. What is P? P is the electric dipole moment. It is the product of Q cross 2A. So first case we'll see P equal to Q cross 2A, Q into 2A. Q here is point. We can say point means small, but 2A it is large. So what is the product? The product is finite. Okay. In the second case we'll see case 2, P equal to Q into 2A. Here Q is not point down, that means Q is not small, it is large. Large we can say it is, the charge is tending to infinity. And what about 2A? 2A here is tending to 0, that means very small. So again, small and large, product finite, or large or small, product is finite. That means what will happen? What will be the consequence of this? If we will bring the two charges very close to each other, okay, like this, this is one charge, second charge, when 2A will tend to 0, that means when they are very close to each other, okay, then we cannot differentiate the dipole. Now it is not more having two poles. It has not two poles like this. यहाँ पे एक pole, यहाँ पे एक pole. It is not like that. What happened here? Now we cannot distinguish the pole. So it is called a point dipole. Point dipole means, and the same point we can say one positive charge is staying, and on the same point also negative charge is staying. It will be like this. Okay, and this condition, point dipole, will be achieved. What is the condition for that? When the distance of separation between them is tending to 0. That means when the distance is very small, one charge will overlap with another charge, and as they are overlapping, we can say it is a point. So this is called point dipole.